Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. On this day, my groups and I will presentate about Ayam Gepuk Pak Gembus database. Our group consists of Bunga Adinda, me, Syakwila Dania, Muhammad Al-Farabi, and Wafiq Muwafaq. Next slide, please. So, basically, the story starts with Ridho Nurul, a 30 years old lad who is successful with his franchise business. He wanted to try a catfish farm until he migrated to Kalimantan to work on an oil palm plantation. But that was failed to bring success to his life, so he quit his job and chose to open a business. He was inspired by his favorite food, onion chili sauce. He thought about opening a fried chicken shop with his signature chili sauce. In the future, Ridho will standardize the products and services that are available at Pak Gipat Gepuk Chicken. He admitted that he did not focus on the number of branches, but on the quality instead. Introduction. For the problem identification is how to applicate database system on Ayam Gepuk Pak Gembus. For the purpose of writing this paper is, first, to easier Ayam Gepuk Pak Gembus in broader marketing, and the second, to create database application for helping Ayam Gepuk Pak Gembus or AGPG, and lastly, making the AGPG known to many people and bigger in business scale. And last is problem limitation. The problem limitation that will be identified is, the first is using Microsoft Access as the database software, and this application is created with using the relationship, query, and report as the basis. For the next, we'll be explaining about definition of the database, the AGPG profile itself, the activity in that business, and conclusion of the business. For the introduction, a database is an organized collection of data. It is the collection of schemas, tables, queries, reports, view, and other objects. The data are typically organized to model aspects of reality in a way that supports process requiring information. Database Management System, or DBMS, is a computer software application that interacts with the users, other application, and the database itself to capture and analyze data. For the business profile, AGPG is a business that provides services in restaurant. AGPG Master located at Yogyakarta and officially on website www.ayamgepukpakgembus.co.id. And here is our logo. For the business activity, the activity of AGPG itself, for the first is giving the best quality of chicken, for the second, giving the best taste of the chili, and the third, giving the best taste of the food, and lastly, giving the best services for a customer and employee. For the explanation, this presentation consists of database of Ayam Gepuk Pak Gembus, the employee, query, the form, and report of Ayam Gepuk Pak Gembus, and it will be explained with my friend Muhammad Al-Farabi.
Okay, first it's the database of AGPG. The table of raw material in a raw material table, we consist about all of the material that we need, such as ayam, tahu, tempe, cabe, sate, mede, kol, and timun. And we have the data of 1 month, the amount of the used for 11 outlets in Sumatra Barat. Here you can see the data of the outlet. Second, the table of staff or employee. In staff table, we consist about the employee ID, the employee's name, the employee's gender, the employee's age, and the join date of each employee. Third, the table of outlet. Table of outlet is information about the owner of the franchise of our product. There are 12 franchise owners that have joined specially in Sumatra Barat. The table consists about the ID of the owner, the location, the address, and the name of the owner. 2. Query of Ayam Gepuk Pak Gembus. First, query of reward for the longest work employee. Query for the oldest employees is the table we use to inform who is the oldest employee will receive a reward. And we know that from the table of the join date employee, because in our opinion, we need to appreciate it, the long worker employee. 3. Form of Ayam Gepuk Pak Gembus. 1. Form of raw material. The form is including data about the raw material in 1 month. 2. Form of employee. The form is including data about the employee data. 3. Form of outlet. The form is including data about the ownership of the franchise. And the fourth is a report of Ayam Gepuk Pak Gembus. 1. Report of raw material. The report is for collecting data raw material. So the conclusion of this PPT is database AGP that the database is made to provide the development, organize, collection of data in creating database, query, form, and report using Microsoft Access. As we know that Microsoft Access is a place for manage any information into some order to reporting, like reporting, analysis, detail, each data, and etc. By using Microsoft Access, we can manage data more efficiently and analyze large amounts of information correctly and easy.
Okay, thank you for your interest towards our presentation until this last slide. See you on another opportunity, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.